What if the human brain could interface directly with technology? What if thoughts could be processed as swiftly as a Google search or memories stored in the cloud for safekeeping? The future of technology and the human brain is not as distant as you might think, thanks to the groundbreaking work of Neuralink. Neuralink, the brainchild of Elon Musk, first came into the spotlight in the summer of 2017. Musk, known for his ambitious ventures in space travel and electric vehicles, set his sights on a new frontier, the human brain. The idea to create a high-bandwidth interface between the brain and machines, a step that could revolutionize not just how we interact with technology, but also how we understand and treat neurological disorders. The first major milestone for Neuralink came in July of 2019 when they unveiled their vision to the world in a detailed white paper. The paper outlined the company's ambitious plans to develop ultra-thin threads that could be implanted in the brain to monitor neural activity. These threads, thinner than a human hair, would be inserted using a precision robot to avoid damaging delicate brain tissue. By the following year, Neuralink had made significant strides. In August of 2020, the company demonstrated their technology in action for the first time. A pig named Gertrude, equipped with a Neuralink device, showed the world that it was possible to read real-time neural signals. Fast forward to 2021, Neuralink made headlines again by demonstrating their technology in a monkey. The primate, named Pager, was able to play a game of Pong using only his mind, a clear demonstration of Neuralink's progress in creating a usable brain-machine interface. The journey of Neuralink has been one of rapid progression, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in neuroscience and technology. But where does it go from here? The future holds immense promise for Neuralink. The company is working towards human trials, a major step that could bring us closer to Musk's vision of symbiosis between the human brain and artificial intelligence. But Neuralink's potential extends beyond just enhancing human cognition. It could revolutionize the treatment of neurological disorders, from Parkinson's disease to paralysis. In the grand scheme of things, Neuralink is still in its infancy, but its journey so far has shown us a glimpse of a future where the line between the human brain and technology blurs, where the possibilities for human advancement are as limitless as our imaginations. The story of Neuralink is far from over, and the world watches in anticipation of its next chapter.